Cameron Away. Approximately 17 million children don't have the opportunity to go to school every day. This is the same number as the amount of people that live in Thailand. Imagine an entire country missing out on their education out of the 17 millions. Children that can't go to school every day. 25 millions of them will never go to school either because of money or there is not a school in this area. Most of the kids that aren't able to go to school are girls one. Of the worst place for school is Africa because 33 million kids cannot go to school there and 18 million of these are girls. Only two-thirds of these kids will ever graduate high school. This is an amazing story about a girl named Jacinta. At the age of 13, she lived in Tanzania, a country in Africa, when her family could no longer afford for her to go to school. So, so she had to drop out of she then had to work as a servant 18 hours a day and only made 13 a month. Then a charitable campaign raised money for Jacinta and her family so that she would not have to work anymore and could go back to school. Later she was sent home and had the opportunity to start school. Once again, so she headed back to school. After she went to go to school, she got a great job and was able to send her brothers and sister to school. But it's not just the kids and families that don't have enough money. There is not enough teacher. For example, in India, they need about 350,000 rupiah more teachers, and in West Africa, they needed about 380,000 rupiah more teachers. But for every K in the world to be educated, we will need approximately 5 million more teachers. When adults don't get proper education, his kids needs to bad things. For example, if you aren't like 30, you can a good job, and you can't good job, you can make a new money. There is about 798 million adults who still lack it basic literary skill. And also, if you don't know what literary means, reading or writing, so ways that you can help is by donating to a charity as an UNICEF or Expansion Camp, that is a charity that helps girls in Africa go to school, while UNICEF is a charity that helps kids all over to school. While UNICEF is a charity that helps kids all over the world. But what would really help is spread the word, tell to your friends and families about these charities and to donate. The last thing you can do is just be grateful for your own education and take school seriously. But this can't just happen on its own. We need to do it. Education is something that you not every day has. You should value your education because when we don't learn, the world never changes. That's all about me. Thanks for your attention.